Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 Update 22H2 fails to install. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you want to find your search bar and type down services, just like so. Click on it and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you got to find Windows Update. Press 1, press W, and find Windows Update, just like so. Double click on it. Now startup type right here, make sure that it is set to automatic. Hit on apply and just click on start. Wait for the process to finish and then hit on OK. Close this one. Now after that, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just type down Windows 10 22H2. Okay, and then you'll be able to find the ones from Microsoft. So just click on it. It says download Windows 10 disk image. Just click on it. Now click on update now. Okay, and save the file wherever you want. Save it. And then once done, just click on the installer. Hit on yes, as there'll be a pop-up, and just follow the simple prompts from here. Okay, hit on next, update. And once done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Windows 10 Update 22H2 fails to install. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.